A kingdom. Once upon a time, in a land where the sun kissed golden fields and rivers sparkled like diamonds, there was a kingdom called Koshala. It was a realm of peace and prosperity, ruled by the wise and benevolent king Arjuna. Known for his fairness and courage, King Arjuna was loved by his people, who looked to him as a symbol of unity and hope. Koshala was not always a flourishing kingdom. When Arjuna ascended the throne, the land was ravaged by famine, and neighboring kingdoms threatened its borders. But Arjuna, with his unyielding determination, forged alliances, introduced new farming techniques, and personally oversaw the construction of irrigation systems. Slowly, the barren lands turned fertile, and the kingdom began to thrive. To ensure peace, King Arjuna established the Council of Koshala, comprising representatives from every village and town. This council allowed every voice in the kingdom to be heard, fostering trust and cooperation among the people. However, prosperity often attracts envy. To the north lay the kingdom of Tantra, ruled by the ambitious and ruthless King Maran. Seeing Koshala's growth, Maran sought to expand his own empire by conquering it. One fateful evening, a messenger arrived in the Arjuna's court with a grim ultimatum from Maran: surrender Koshala or face war. Refusing to bow to tyranny, Arjuna rallied his council and prepared his people for defense. The armies of Tantra marched into Koshala under the cover of night, their banners casting long shadows on the moonlit ground. But Arjuna, a brilliant strategist, had anticipated the attack. He positioned his soldiers in the Golden Plains, where the high ground offered an advantage. For 3 days the battle raged. The people of Koshala fought not just for their king, but for their homes, their families, and their freedom. Arjuna himself led the charge, wielding a sword forged from the rarest Kalan steel, its blade gleaming like the sun. His bravery inspired his soldiers, and soon the tide of battle turned. On the dawn of the 4th day, the armies of Tantra retreated, their morale shattered. Koshala had emerged victorious. After the war, King Arjuna worked tirelessly to rebuild what had been lost. He provided aid to the injured and ensured that no family went hungry. To honor those who had fallen, he commissioned the Sunspire Monument, a towering obelisk inscribed with the names of every soldier and citizen who had fought for the kingdom. Under Arjuna's continued reign, Koshala blossomed into a beacon of hope and prosperity. Trade flourished, art and music thrived, and the people lived without fear. When King Arjuna grew old, he passed his crown to his son, Prince Bhima, who had inherited his wisdom and courage. Before stepping down, he addressed his people one last time. Koshala is not great because of its king. It is great because of its people. As long as you stand united, no shadow can dim the light of our kingdom. And so, the story of King Arjuna became a legend, passed down through generations, reminding the people of Koshala that courage, wisdom, and unity could overcome any darkness.